Thomas used to grumble in the shed at night. "I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the world." The others didn't take much notice, for Thomas was a little engine with a long tongue. But one night Edward came into the shed. He was a kind little engine, and he felt sorry for Thomas.
"I've got some trucks to take home tomorrow. If you take them instead of me, I'll push coaches in the yard."
"Thank you, Edward. That will be nice." So they asked their drivers next day if they could change, and the drivers said, "Well, yes." And Thomas ran off happily to find the trucks. Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what they're doing. They don't listen to their engine, and I'm sorry to say they play tricks on an engine who's not used to them. Edward knew all about trucks, and he warned Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen. The shunter fastened the coupling, the guard blew his whistle, and started off. But the trucks weren't ready. "Wait, Thomas, wait!" But Thomas wouldn't wait. "Come on, come on!" And the trucks grumbled slowly out of the siding onto the main line. Thomas was happy. "Come along, come along!" And the trucks grumbled, "All right, don't fuss. All right, don't fuss." They clattered through stations and rumbled over bridges.
Look out for the train.
Then they came to the top of the hill where Gordon had sat, and Thomas's driver said, "Steady now, Thomas, steady." And he shut off the steam and began to put on the brakes. Thomas called out, "We're stopping! We're stopping!" "No, no, 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 no. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on." And before his driver could stop them, they'd pushed Thomas down the hill and were rattling and laughing behind him. "Ha ha, ha ha, ha ha, ha ha." Poor Thomas tried hard to stop them from making him go too fast. "Stop pushing, stop pushing." They rattled through the station, and luckily the line was clear as they swerved into the goods yard. And he shut his eyes tight. When he opened them, he saw that he'd stopped just in front of the buffers, and there watching him was the fat director.
"What are you doing here, Thomas?"
"But I've brought Edward's trucks."
"Why did you come so fast?"
"But I didn't mean to. I was pushed."
"You've got a lot to learn about trucks then, little Thomas. After pushing them about here for a few weeks, you'll know almost as much about them as Edward. Then you'll be a really useful engine."